Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can upload from Canva to Etsy, so let's get right into it. Now, uploading directly from Canva is not possible simply because there are no integrations for it, and pretty much the only things that you can do on Canva are designs, videos, and anything like that, and the video versions are very limited. You can do, for example, as you can see here, websites and things like that. However, that is very, very difficult to do, and it's very bare bones, at least on Canva. So what you can do to, well, add things from Canva to Etsy is you can go ahead and create a design. So for example, I can go, I don't know, for a presentation or anything of the sort, and then just edit it however you want. So for example, I'll go over and say, I'll just add a random element because why not? Let's say I add this graphic right over here. And let's say that this is a done design or anything of the sort. And once you create it, you can very easily export it by going into share and then just go ahead and download it. And then you can upload it to Canva from your, to Etsy from your device. Other than that, what you can do, you can also go ahead and create a link if you want to, for example, sell templates. You can create a link with access to your template, which you can then put up for sale on Etsy through sort of a PDF file or anything else, and then you can sell it on Etsy just like that. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.